Woo, the word is out. Triple T is back. We're vlogging. Let's get this thing started, baby.
Robbie's got a gold watch. Don't seem like a whole lot after 30 years of driving up and down the interstate. But Robbie's had a good life, and Robbie's got a good wife.
Well, we're pulling out from Lafayette, Louisiana. Got a little rain. Man, this is a bumpy road right here. Getting through here. The water hides all those deep potholes. I bet that's an entrance only right up there. I bet I was supposed to go out the other side, but I was parked on this side. So I don't know. I just have to watch and see if there's anybody turning in as I'm trying to turn out. I don't see no big trucks coming, so maybe I can get out. There goes a car going out. Yeah, maybe we can get out. It's gonna be a sharp turn, ain't it? Oh well. Worst case scenario, we'll catch a little curb. Yeah, we delivered in Houston, Texas in the morning. Then we're picking up in Baytown, Texas tomorrow night. And delivering Wednesday morning in Del Rio, Texas. Yeah, we're going down to the border. Doing a little border hopping. And then we're going to zip over to Eagle Pass. Over near Negros, Mexico. Pick up a load over there and head back up to Sanger, Texas. And we have a surprise waiting. I hope, it may not be waiting for us, but hopefully we'll get it before we go to pick up our load. It's a Home Depot load we're picking up. Going down to Del Rio. Won't be ready till around 10 o'clock Tuesday night. So hopefully before we go pick that load up, we can pick up a load that's going to be, not a load, picking up a package we ordered from Amazon. Hopefully it'll be there at the Amazon lockers in Baytown there at the TA. So we'll have to wait and see. Well, I'll be dadgummit. Camera done got all tilted sideways, didn't it? It's supposed to be like that. That might be too much. How about that? Does that look a little better? Yeah, about the same. Yeah, I'm trying a new camera angle. Try to get more of a wide angle look. So we'll see how it goes. Oh boy. Well, we're fixing to be going past, let's see, we got 3 more miles. We'll be going past one of my favorite exits. Exit number 97. Scott, Louisiana, home of the famous Don's. They got boudin, woo boy, they got boudin. They got crawfish pie and an etouffee and a gumbo and jambalaya. Oh man. stuff. Crawfish pistolets. Oh, man. Oh, Lord have mercy, that place. Woo. And they got a little bit of truck parking right there next to the parking lot. We've actually spent the night in their parking lot before the pavement part. Not the dirt lot out there beside it. But we won't have time to stop today. I mean, we got time, but we got the refrigerator full. We just left the house and we got the refrigerator already full, so I don't really have any room for it. And you know me, I try not to buy any food from restaurants, truck stops, or grocery stores or anything until I've used up everything in the refrigerator, or just about everything. So we're coming. Let's see, what's today? Day is November 14th, right? So we only got about 10 or maybe about 10 days, less than 10 days maybe, or there, yeah, less than 10 days I believe, or right at 10 days till Thanksgiving. There's Don's right over here. It's over here. Let's see, it's right next to the Harley Davidson. And there it is. There's Don's. Oh, man. Homemade boudin and cracklins. Woo! Woo! That's what I'm talking about. Get you some of that. We probably won't be out more than 8 days, 9 days, because when we get home in time for Thanksgiving, and then we'll probably leave out Friday or Saturday after Thanksgiving, and then we'll probably stay out until around December 8th, and then we're coming back home to go to a family function down in Central Florida. Got a cousin down there. She's my cousin by marriage, but she's Teresa's first cousin by blood. And she's having her 50th birthday party. 50 years old. Unfortunately, I turned 50 in April of 2020. And what was going on in April of 2020? Let me think. Yeah. There was no birthday parties, no church, no nothing going on. Except a bunch of BS. But we won't get into it. Don't keep that on the down low. The 2022 elections, midterms, are in the rearview mirror, so to speak. And very disappointed. I'll leave it at that. And get back to focusing on what I love to do, which is trucking vlogs. I love showing you people this beautiful country. Talking to you, trying to make you laugh just a little bit. And so yeah, that's about where we're at. So we'll see how it goes. Trying to get back into the swing of it, try out the new camera angle, and if that package is there by 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock tomorrow night, we're good, because we got to pick up at 10 o'clock to head down to Del Rio. And once I pick that load up, I don't want to have to come back to the truck stop again. I want to head on down to Del Rio from there. So we'll see. But if it is here, we're going back to having fun again. Yeah. Like we used to do about a year ago. 8 months maybe? I don't know. how far we got to go? I think we got about 180 something. Let's see, 183 miles, and we'll be in Baytown. Woo! So y'all come on and let's enjoy the ride.
Texas is a place I'd dearly love to be, but all my exes live in Texas, and that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Rosanna's down in Texarkana, wanted me to push her broom. Sweet Eileen's in Abilene, she forgot I hung the moon. And Allison's in Galveston somehow lost her sanity. And Dimples, who now lives in Temple's, got the law looking for me. All my exes live in Texas, Texas is a place I dearly love to be, but all my exes live in Texas, and that's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. That old Frio River where I learned to swim, but it brings to mind another time where I wore my welcome thin. By transcendental meditation, I go there each night, but I always come back to myself long before daylight. Texas is a place I dearly love to be, but all my exes live in Texas, therefore I reside in Tennessee. Some folks think I'm hiding, it's been rumored that I died, but I'm alive and well in Tennessee. Hey, Louisiana woman,
Mississippi man,
we get together every time we can. The Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
too much love in this Louisiana heart.
See the alligator all waiting nearby. Sooner or later they know I'm gonna try. When she waved from the bank, don't you know I know it's a goodbye fishing line. See you while I go. With the Louisiana woman waiting on the other side, the Mississippi River don't look so wide. Louisiana woman,
Mississippi man,
we get together every time we can. The Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
too much love in this Louisiana heart. Well, I thought I'd been left, but I never had, till I was wrapped in the arms of a Mississippi man. When he holds me close, it feels almost like another hurricane just to rip the coast. If you can't come to me, I'm gonna go to him. That Mississippi River, Lord, I'm gonna swim.
Hey, Louisiana woman,
Mississippi man,
we get together every time we can. The Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
too much love in this Louisiana heart.
Well, the Mississippi River, Lord, it's 1 mile wide, and I'm gonna get me to the other side.
Mississippi man, I'm losing my mind. Gotta have your lovin' one more time.
I'm gonna jump in the river and here I go. Too bad, alligator, you swim too slow. Hey, Louisiana woman,
Mississippi man,
we'll get together every time we can. The Mississippi River can't keep us apart. There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
too much love in this Louisiana
Oh,
heart.
there's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
Too much love in this Louisiana heart.
Hey, there's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
Too much love in this Louisiana heart.
There's too much love in this Mississippi heart.
Too much love.
Fast on a rough road, riding high through the mountains, climbing, twisting, turning further from my home. Young like a new moon rising, fierce through the rain and lightning, wandering out into this great unknown. And I don't want no one to cry, but tell them if I don't survive, I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. Free like a river raging strong is the wind I'm facing, chasing dreams and racing Father Time. Deep like the grandest canyon, wild like an untamed stallion. If you can't see my heart, you must be blind. You can knock me down and watch me bleed, but you can't keep no chains on me. I was born free. I was born free. I was born free. Born free. And I'm not good at long goodbyes, but look down deep into my eyes. I was born free. Calm, facing danger, lost like an unknown stranger, grateful for my time with no regrets. Close to my destination, tired, frail and aching, waiting patiently for the sun to set. And when it's done, believe that I will yell it from that mountain.
it's getting dark. We're gonna go ahead and wrap up the road video footage, and we will pick this back up when we get over to Baytown, Texas, over there to the T8, and we'll go ahead and wrap up this old video. Hopefully by then the rain will have stopped, and we'll be doing a little bit better. Yeah. All right, so y'all hang around. We'll be in Baytown before you know it. All right. Well, we made it to Baytown, Texas. Gonna get us some sleep. Get up bright and early in the morning and head on over to Houston and make our delivery. Google Maps is only saying it's about 25 miles, about 30 minutes or so, 35 minutes, maybe something like that. I know better. I know Houston morning traffic. If it's 30 miles, you're looking at an hour. So we'll leave early enough. We make sure we get there in time and get the load delivered and everything. Man, I got to get a haircut. My hair is all kind of crazy. But yeah, we're doing another deli case load for our favorite ride agent, Miss Katie Bell. And man, we got all kind of good loads already lined up, man. We're going to take a load down to Del Rio, Texas, to Home Depot. We're going to go over to Eagle Pass and pick up a load of Peterbilt truck parts, head back up to Sanger, Texas. And then we're going to go over to Marshall, Texas, and pick up a load of cabinets and head over to Chattanooga, Tennessee. And then we're going to run back up to Lebanon, Tennessee, and pick up some Apple products. And not the kind of apples you eat. Those apples like this. And take those down to Valdosta. So, woo, we got a busy week ahead, man. We're booked up through Monday. And here's the best part, man. The very best part. Other than Katie's load, all the loads are over $4 a mile. One of them is even over $5 a mile. So these are some good paying loads, man. So I just got blessed, I guess, because I took this load for Katie, even though it doesn't pay as good as the other loads. I love building those relationships, man. And having a good, strong relationship with a direct shipper is the way to go. I preach that to all you guys that come over here at Landstar, and I'm telling you, it works, it works, it works. I'm living proof of it. I'm $28,000 ahead of where I was at this time last year, money making. And it's because I build those relationships. I get those loads because a lot of times, not most, but I'd say at least a third of the loads that I book never even make it to the load board, because I have those relationships with agents. I call them up, I book, before the load ever even hits the load board. That's the way that load I got going to Chattanooga from Marshall. I sent April an email. I said, hey, I'm going to be in your area. What you got coming out of Marshall? She said, well, I got this Chattanooga one. And I was like, yeah, I'll take it. It was either that or go to Sarasota, Florida. So I was like, yeah, I'll take that one. So that's what I'm saying. You got to build those relationships. You got to know where your areas are. And you got to know, hey, okay, I'm in this area. There's freight coming out on these days, So, once you learn all this, and the best way to learn it is to work an area. I work the Midwest and the Southeast. I work it hard. I got those relationships. I got those agents. I can call, I can email, and if there's a load, I got it before it even hits the load board. That's what you got to do. That's how you make money. That's how you're successful over here. So, I'm not BSing. I mean, I can show you my analytics from Landstar where it shows I'm $28,000 ahead of where I was at this time last year. 9,000 less miles driven. That's good. So a lot of it I attribute to the truck it's a pre-emission. I don't have the DEF. I don't have all the sensor computer bull crap that you have to worry about with these newer model trucks. And so I attribute a lot of it to the truck, and a lot of it to just, you know, me knowing what I'm doing, and having those relationships and paying attention to what's going on. I got some friends over here that are doing the exact same thing that I'm doing with those relationships with agents and stuff like that, and they're killing it. You know, everybody I know that is killing it have those relationships with those agents, and that's your lifeline, man. That is your lifeline over here, is agents. You have to have agents that you can get loads from when you're in a pinch, and it comes from doing repeated loads for them. You know, this is number 18 or 19 for the year for Katie, and before the year's over with, I'm gonna break over 20 loads just for that one agent. Think about it now, over 20 loads. I'm averaging almost 2 loads a month with just that one agent. You know, so yeah, that's how you do it. Anyway, I'm gonna end the video, quit rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed the music. Love me some George Strait, man. Oh, my exes live in Texas. I can't sing. We lost Loretta Lynn a while back, a couple weeks ago or so. Oh man, I love Loretta Lynn. I had so much respect for her and just her music. Oh man, I love it. And Conway Twitty, good Lord, we lost that boy way too young. He was in his 50s, I think, when he died. Was it his 50s or early 60s? Just way too young to be losing somebody like that. I'm gonna go ahead and lock my doors, because I'll be done had some illegals jump up in here with me. I'll be like, no, I'm not a coyote. Yeah, and we gotta play some Kid Rock, man. It just ain't right without Kid Rock. And so at the end of the video, we got one more surprise for you. Yeah, because people in Texas don't care if the sun don't shine. Charlie Daniels, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the music. You saw the rain we had coming over, so it finally stopped raining. Woo, so maybe we'll have good weather tomorrow. Oh, I gotta get me some sleep, y'all. Thank you so much for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing, all that stuff. Midterm elections are behind us. There's nothing we can do about it now. What's done is done. All we can do is keep our head down, keep moving forward, don't give up, and always keep punching.
Too far away from here, out with the cows and the Landstar beer, where the living and loving is quite all right with me.
Yeah, Charles, they call it Texas, it's a mighty fine place to be. Rush, Texarkana to El Paso, Oklahoma down to Old Mexico. There's Houston, Dallas, Austin, and San Antonio.
People in Texas sure do make you feel at home.